Are you in the club?
Hey guys, Disney Cars Toy Club here, and today we're going to be opening up and showing you our new Aqua Adventure Evil Pirate. And this is Porkchop from the Toy Story. Alright, so here's our Porkchop hanging out inside. And as you can see, you can get Bullseye, Woody, and Buzz Lightyear. So let's tear it on open and see Mr. Porkchop himself. Alright, so here he is. Whoa. So that's his pirate ship. Look at his little pig crossbones right there. And this flips around. Alright. Let's get Porkchop out himself. So here he is. His head actually turns around. And it comes with two cannons. Alright. So we want to hook these cannons on. Alright, so Porkchop sits right in here. That way he's protected. He's got his little snorter right there on the front. And here's his two cannons. So he is ready for battle. So we're going to put him up against some pirates. Arr, mateys. And here's what Porkchop's up. While Porkchop eliminates the rest. Fire in the hole. There's only one left. It's Scooby-Doo. And he has yet to hit Peppa Pig. Bombs away. Good job, Pirate Porkchop. You were able to take out the enemy and save Peppa Pig. Until next time, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and thanks for watching.